It's easy to move from Android to iOS. Here's how to transfer your photos, contacts, messages, and more. Before you start, your Android device should have Wi-Fi turned on, and both your devices should be plugged into power. You should also double-check that you have enough space on your iPhone for the content you're transferring over. It's best not to finish setting up your iPhone before you begin this process. If you've already set it up, you'll need to erase it and start over. If you choose not to erase it, you can move your content over manually. All right, let's get started. First, follow the on-screen instructions on your iPhone to start setting it up. On the Apps and Data screen on your iPhone, tap Move Data from Android. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to install the Move to iOS app on your Android device. You can download the Move to iOS app from Google Play or scan the QR code on your iPhone by tapping the QR code button in the top right corner of your screen. On your iPhone, tap Continue. A 6-digit or 10-digit code will appear. On your Android device, open the Move to iOS app and tap Continue. If you agree to the terms and conditions, tap Agree, then tap Continue. On your Android device, enter the code displayed on your iPhone. Tap Continue, then tap Connect. Now, just wait until the Transfer Data screen appears on your Android device and select the content that you want to transfer. You can move your Google account, messages, contacts, and other things like accessibility and display settings. Now, tap Continue. Even if your Android device says the process is complete, leave both your devices alone until the loading bar on your iPhone finishes. Depending on how much content you're moving, this process can take a little while. When the loading bar on your iPhone finishes, tap Done on your Android device. Next, on your iPhone, tap Continue Setting Up iPhone and follow the on-screen steps to finish setup. It's that simple. Now your content should be transferred, and all of your important information is right where you expect it.